Module 10, on the market. Savvy seller do's and don'ts when selling your home. Your home is on the market. Now what? Today we're discussing the do's and don'ts to ensure a successful sale. Learn how to make your home shine during showings and what pitfalls to avoid. I'm the owner of JoAnna Kraft Real Estate. Showing your home. Your house is ready and your listing agent has started their dynamic marketing campaign. Here's how to make sure your home shines during showings. Be absent during showings. Let buyers feel free to explore your home without feeling like intruders. Your presence can make the situation awkward and hinder their experience. Keep all lights on. Make your home appear brighter and more inviting by keeping all the lights on. Open blinds and window treatments. This makes your home seem larger and brighter. If possible, remove window screens to let in more light and give an open feel. Put away clutter and personal items. You've already decluttered, so just put away anything that's out of place. Clean kitchens and bathrooms. Ensure these areas are spotless. Flush toilets, full towels, wipe down counters and sinks, and empty trash cans. Sweep the front step and hall. First impressions matter. Keep these areas clean to avoid tracking debris into your home. Arrange for pets. Find a place for pets during showings. Not everyone loves animals, and some buyers might even be afraid of them. An important don't say a thing. Avoid engaging in conversation if you happen to come home during a showing. Even innocent comments can sabotage your negotiation position. Example, a client came home during a showing and started chatting with the buyer's agent. When asked why she was moving, she mentioned her terminally ill mother. The agent used this information to make a lowball offer with a fast close. Although the market was not slow and cash offers were common, the agent made the client panic. Thankfully, she held out and received a much better offer. Questions to ask. How do you ensure my home is presented in the best possible light during showings? What specific strategies do you use to create an inviting atmosphere in the home during showings? How do you handle feedback from buyers and agents after showings? And how will you keep me informed? Can you explain how you protect my negotiation position during the showing process? How do you manage showings if I have pets or other special considerations? What things should I say or not say to an agent or buyer? Conclusion. As you can see, there is a lot involved in selling your home. Look for a qualified professional agent who takes their career seriously, does this full-time, specializes in the area, understands the market, knows how to reach buyers on a massive scale, and uses both traditional marketing and digital marketing to reach the masses.